Kiramoon Flower Melon Serum. Super excited to try this because the very first ingredient is aloe vera. Yeah, and then it goes on to have niacinamide, which is great for your pores, which is great for your skin. Melon extract, banana flower extract, chamomile. It has a lot of great stuff, but you kind of are like, aloe vera. We know aloe vera is slimy, so let's see if this is slimy. Oh, look at that. So you saw that? Yeah, it is kind of. Look at that. That's what you expect with aloe vera. Can you see that? But aloe vera is great for your skin. Look at this. It like suds up on my face with my facial hair. Not like I have facial hair. Yeah, right. Okay. Aloe vera is great for the skin. And you know what? This dries down pretty darn fast. Only been on the skin for maybe 1 minute. You can tell that I have aloe vera on my face. It's just not as thick as aloe vera typically is. But you know, you almost feel like that coat. That like you have a little bit of texture to your skin. But it feels like this one actually absorbs better than if you were just to put regular aloe vera on your skin. So that is my serum. I want you to see, I'm just going to put 1 dot right here. You see that? Now watch how fast it actually dries down. Look at that. That is pretty good. I would actually say for an aloe vera serum that has all these extracts and stuff, that's pretty darn good. I'll list right here, all the benefits of aloe vera on your skin and just more natural, organic, or actually I can't say organic, more natural ingredients. This says it is a Flower Melon Super Hydra Serum. Is 3-in-1 elixir that hydrates, smooths, plumps your skin to perfection. Okay, I will take it.